Most of the time, the reason why your business, your website, your applications, and whatever thing you do doesn't show up on Google is because you've not really verified your business on Google. Just this particular month, I got this email from Google. They told me that my website and business got over 15k interaction from Google set and over 55k profile view. All right, you can see right here we got over 600 plus chat and also 7k website straight to our website with Astera and Montag. Okay, so in this particular video, I'm going to be showing you what this particular tool is all about and how you can actually set it up. And if you run a blog website, if you run AdMob app, YouTube channel, whatever thing you run, make sure you get your business verified on this very platform. And the best part is that you don't really need money to verify your business on this Google tool. AdMob Media is already verified with this blue check button. Okay, make sure you stick to the very end of this video. If you come to this section, you're going to see we have the website section, we have save, share, call. Okay, so this is where people can actually call us, and this is where people can actually visit our website. Okay, so if you click on this visit button, it's going to simply take you to the website. Okay, so before you get started on this very platform, you need to actually register your account. Okay, so right here you can see right here this particular email account has been used to register this business, which is the reason why you can actually edit it. Okay, for instance, if I search Padded Vibes Media on another page which is not actually the same email, you can see right here I cannot actually edit this. Okay, you can see, but the profile is actually here. You can see the Instagram, you can see the LinkedIn, YouTube, and a lot more. Okay, and also you can see the website as well. From here people can actually visit your website. So if my team have already built your website, optimize it, added Astera, Montag ads, you can actually go ahead and add your website. For you to get started, you need to actually go to your browser section and search for Google My Business. So once you click on that, the next you need to do is simply come to this very section right here. You can see we have Google My Business, Google Business Profile, get listed on Google. All right, and you can actually get verified if you have all the details you need. All right, click on this section that says Google My Business Profile. Remember, this is free. You're not required to pay any money. Everything is free right here. Okay, and this is basically how bloggers can actually get more traffic. And click on this section that says start now. Okay, first of all, you need to actually add your business name. Okay, so for instance, I've already registered Padded Vibes Media, and if I want to register my own personal Google My Business profile, I can actually add me John Francis right here. Okay, it has already popped up, and all I need to do is to actually create a business with this name by clicking on this continue button. All right, then choose your business type. You can see we have online retails, we have local store, we have service business. All right, so I'm going to be selecting service business. All right, so click on this next button. All right, so once you click on that, select the category of your business. Okay, let's say coach. All right, so it doesn't really matter, you can add that, then click on the next button. So remember, any details you add here, you can change it later on from this very section that says edit profile. Okay, you can change it later on. Okay, let's say Nigeria. Okay, so you click on the next button. I'm going to be adding my number right here in line 0. So your website, since they say it's optional, we are not going to be making it optional because we actually need this traffic to come to our website. Okay, and I'm going to be adding my website URL. Don't add blog post, just add only your website's domain homepage. Okay, so come to this very section right here and add the website here. Okay, so once you have that, you can add chat. Okay, let's say text message or WhatsApp. So I'm going to be selecting WhatsApp. Please come to this section and select this. Okay, so to add it to your business, come to this section, then paste it here. Like you have to add the number based on your country. Okay, so as long as that particular number is on WhatsApp, people can be able to reach you from this number. Okay, so once you have this, the next you need to do is simply click on this next button. Mark these 2 buttons. Okay, if you want to actually get these notifications. Okay, if you don't want to get it, you are good. All you need to do is simply click on this continue button, and it's going to simply take you to the next phase. Okay, the next section is to actually add your business hour right here. Okay, so let's say I want to add Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday right here, Friday. Okay, then we don't work on Sunday and Saturdays. Okay, so I'm going to be skipping the 2. Then click on this next button. All right, so provide the exact time. Okay, let's say from 7 a.m. or 7:30. Then we close at let's say 2 p.m. or 4 p.m. all right, the same time. Okay, so we are done. Click on the next button. All right, so add business description. You can add business description based on what you already know, like what you do. Okay, and I'm going to be adding it here. Then click on the next button. You can add the stock photo right here. Okay, like you take a screenshot or a photo of your physical location. If you don't have photo of your physical location, you can actually leave it. Okay, add photos of your business. You can add photos of your business by selecting some images. Select pictures from here. So if you have that in place, click on the next button. Okay, so get a custom email address. So it doesn't really matter if you don't want to get any custom email address, you can forget that and use your normal email. Okay, so click on this keep button. Okay, you can see right here we've already gotten Google My Business for Main John Francis. Okay? So this is basically how you can create this, but right now on this second section I'm going to be showing you how to use this particular stuff. Okay, so let's bounce back to our previous account. Okay, this is our account. Okay, so on this very account, if you go to post, you can see the post we've already added, or you can add a new post. Okay, for instance, you made a post on your website and you want to actually make that blog content to trend. Okay, for instance, this particular application, all I need to do is simply copy this title right here. Okay, then come back to my Google My Business. Okay, then copy a snippet of the blog. Come back here, you can add it here. All right, then you add this button here. This button is where you can actually add your website URL. Okay, so let's say learn more from here. Okay, so I'm going to be adding the full blog content link. Okay, so this is it right here. Just Control A, then you copy everything just the way it is here, then come back here, you can add it here. You can see the way you promote your blog content on your Google My Business profile. Okay, the next thing you have to do is to add image or video. Okay, you can see what we have here now. So I can actually go ahead and click on the send button or post button. Okay, so you can see this particular post right now will be added here, but it's just going to be pending. That's why I showed you that you have to make sure you stay compliant with whatever thing you're posting here. Okay, so Google is going to review it, and from this section you can see right here it has been published already. Okay, so let's close it back. Then you come to this section that says post, view all posts. Okay, this is the new post we added right now. Let's say one of you it as a visitor, as a normal visitor. Okay, so if you come to this section, you're going to see right here the post will now pop up right here. Remember, this is the new profile and this is the new post right now. Okay, so if you click on this button here, this is going to simply open to this very page and you can read more. You can see the download link here. You can see learn more button. So if you click on the learn more button, it's actually going to simply take you to the website. Okay, so this is basically how you can actually get traffic to your website through just Google My Business page. Okay, you can show it has already popped up right. You can also run advertisement from this very page. Okay, like you can run Google ad from this very page to boost whatever thing you are promoting as a business. Okay, so after setting up all of these things, the best way to do this and also interlink it with your website is to head over to your standard well developed website. Okay, for instance, if my team have already built a website and you want to set this up, make sure you add the plugin. Go to your plugin section and click on the add new plugin, type in Google My Business. Okay, and you're going to see we have different plugins for it. Okay, so this plugin right now is going to simply allow your visitors to actually comment or review your post on Google My Business. Okay, and also increase your SEO, your trust and sales on Google My Business. Okay, and also if you want your blog post to automatically go to Google My Business page we've already created, make sure you install this plugin. All right, it's going to simply help you, or this particular one right here. So any of them can actually work. These three plugins right now is what you need. So this is basically how this particular tool works. So all you need to do is simply go ahead and try this out for yourself, get your website fully developed, and make sure you register your account on Astera as a publisher and also on Montag as also a publisher. Okay, and also get your website fully developed and start running this as a business for yourself. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to this very channel, and turn on the bell notification icon to stay updated on what we do here. Remember, we are building something very much massive, okay, which is called Added Vibe Online Academy. It's going to be like an online university for every single person that want to actually learn a digital skill, learn online business and scale through it. Okay, so if I were you, I will not miss out on this particular new phase of Padded Vibes Media. Okay, see you in the community for more updates.